These days, it is almost impossible for parents and children to disconnect our devices. In this eye-opening workshop, we uncover the losses families are suffering due to an always-on lifestyle. Why are we constantly drawn back into our screens? What impact does this have on mental health? And how do we disconnect to reconnect our family bonds? Join us for a workshop that will leave you feeling empowered to make small changes with great impact.
I think what stood out the most for me is that there's actually a movement, or I'm not sure how she referred to it, that is suggesting to wait until 8, which is quite interesting because I think as parents we do not know, or we don't have a guideline of when to start our kids with having smart devices. At the beginning, I think we tend to think we're controlling it, and then it just fades out. And also as a digital technology teacher myself in the high school here, it has also given me some ideas and triggered some ideas on what discussions to have with the kids in order to help them and guide them in, being smarter about their devices.
Spend time, run outside, play with the ball, go surfing, do what you need to do so that you can connect with your kids, stay connected and not let them look for role models within the social media, but look at the role model that is grown up within the household.
We have so many kids who are suffering from mental health issues, and I don't think parents understand the impact of social media, that it causes this much and to this depth, and how it affects their studies and just their everyday life. So I think those two topics for me, the anxiety and the depression that can be caused by social media and smartphones in general, have just given me a scare and made me more conscious as a parent to decide to be strong and not give in to my kids who are so tempted to have devices.
When I grew up as a kid, my shoes were constantly broken because of playing outside. But nowadays you see kids, I see my kids tending to go more into sitting in front of the TV. This has been just a reminder again for me, to pay attention to those time you spend with your kid. Something I've taken out of this session is really to remind myself and my wife, to when we do introduce devices to our kids, let's wait till an appropriate time, I would say appropriate season within their life, where things have been taught already, ground rules have been set.